Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bose headphones to Mac, instant link step by step clearly. To connect your Bose headphones to your Mac, first, ensure that your headphones are charged. Turn on your Bose headphones by pressing the power button. Look for the Bluetooth button on your headphones. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hear an audio prompt or the Bluetooth indicator starts flashing. On your Mac, click on the Apple menu located in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, click on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If not, click the Turn Bluetooth On button. Your Mac will now search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Locate your Bose headphones in the list of available devices. Click on your Bose headphones to initiate the connection. A pairing request may appear on your Mac. Click Pair to confirm. Once connected, you should see your Bose headphones listed as connected in the Bluetooth settings. You can now close the Bluetooth window. To test the connection, play some audio on your Mac. Ensure the sound is coming through your Bose headphones. If you have any issues, try turning the headphones off and then back on. Revisit your Bluetooth settings to reconnect if necessary. Now you're ready to enjoy your Bose headphones with your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.